Hello everyone, this is a DIY team project and our topic is density based traffic light controllers. The team members are Garlapadi Satvik Reddy, Kattunga Lakshmana Sai Kumar, Kulkarni Pranav Suryakant and Saumyadeep Nandi. Our aim is to make our current traffic system smarter and efficient. Let's have a look at what happens when the traffic signals are not adaptive. Why is it needed? To avoid traffic pileups during peak hours, to save valuable time from traffic jams. The present technology used in India is either a fixed time traffic control system or manual override traffic control system. Whereas in foreign countries, they use induction loop traffic sensors as an alternative. We plan to provide a solution to the above problem using Arduino Mega and ultrasonic sensors by making a miniature model with LEDs. The key component of our project is this ultrasonic sensor which senses the incoming vehicles. This is the schematic diagram of our model which we made in Proteus software. This is the physical model we made following the schematic diagram shown before. Coming to the work sharing part, Garlapati Satvik Reddy and Kattunga Lakshmana Sai Kumar have done the physical setup and demonstration of our project. Kulkarni Pranav Suryakant and Somnadeep Nandi are in charge of report making and code writing. Let's look at the physical setup and demonstration part of the normal traffic signals which are not adaptive for the density of traffic. The lanes will be shown green one by one irrespective of the traffic in the lanes. Our project is to make this system smart with the help of ultrasonic sensors.
This is code part for our do-it-yourself team project. First, I am initializing variables like trigger pin equal to 31, where 31 is digital pin in Arduino Mega, and then without initializing, I am declaring time 1 and S1, same for remaining 3 sets. Then comes the setup part. In setup, every pin will be output except the echo pin. Echo pin will be as input because it will receive the reflected signal. Then comes the important loop part. In loop part, these 7 lines are used to calculate time 1 and S1. From time 1, we can calculate S1 using this formula. At starting, every red LED will be hard. Then, whenever S1, S2, S3 or S4 will be less than 7, that red LED will become low, followed by this sequence. As separate if statements are written, the LED whose sensor will detect vehicle first will change first. And this 7 centimeter is width of lane used in miniature model. Thank you.
Let's have a look at the demonstration of the physical setup with the input of ultrasonic sensors. Here, there is no traffic in any lane, so all the signals remain red. If a vehicle is detected in any lane as shown here, the signal will turn to green to clear the traffic in that lane. If I remove the vehicle, then again it will come back to initial mode. Now, if two vehicles enter in two different lanes as shown, first, the right lane has been shown green with all the other lanes shown red. Then, the bottom lane has turned green with the other lanes being in red. In this way, the cycle continues until the traffic is cleared in both the lanes. Now, there is traffic in three different lanes. As seen before, the cycle has to continue with these three lanes turning to green one by one, with the lane which has no traffic remaining in red. In this way, the traffic will be cleared in these three lanes. Now, there is traffic in all the four lanes. So, all the lanes will be shown green one by one, and this cycle will continue until the traffic is cleared in all the lanes. That is, there should be no vehicle detected by the ultrasonic sensors.
Hope you like our project. Thank you.